In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Binance to TradingView step by step. This guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate your Binance account with TradingView for a smoother trading experience. First, head over to TradingView by entering the website address into your browser. Once it loads, log into your account using your credentials. You'll find yourself on the TradingView homepage, a hub for all your stock and market needs. From here, we want to navigate to the Markets section. This is where you'll find a variety of options and tools to enhance your trading experience. After clicking on Markets, direct your attention to the Crypto option. This is crucial as it centers our focus specifically on cryptocurrencies, which is what we need to connect Binance. Following this, search for the option again and select Crypto. It might seem repetitive, but these steps ensure that TradingView tailors its functionalities specifically for cryptocurrency trading. The next step involves clicking on All Sources. This allows you to refine your search and focus solely on Binance, which will be the connector to TradingView. From the list that appears, click on Binance. This will set Binance as the primary exchange for charting and trading activities. For the purpose of our guide, let's choose the BTC-USDT trading pair. If your Binance account is specific to the US, make sure to select Binance US in this step. This selection helps you view all the different exchange types. Now, it's time to launch the chart. This action opens up a detailed view of the BTC-USDT chart, and our next move is to access the trading panel. This panel, located at the bottom of your screen, is an essential component for executing trades directly from TradingView. Click on the trading panel, and then in the search bar type in Binance. From the results, click on Binance again to establish the connection. After selecting Binance, you'll need to click on the Connect button. Follow the prompts to confirm this action, which officially links your Binance account with TradingView. Once connected, you can see all your previous trading history, providing you with valuable insights into your past activities. Additionally, you can view your account summary and orders. This seamless integration gives you the flexibility to manage your trades, all within TradingView's interface. By clicking on Trade, you can open up a panel that allows you to buy or sell cryptocurrencies directly from your account, making trading as convenient as possible. And there you have it. You can see the current price of your trading pairs, in this case BTC and USDT, and execute trades as desired. I hope this guide has been helpful in connecting Binance to TradingView effectively.